hit right in the dog leg section. They call this a dog leg. This top lip goes underneath the roof. I have a Chevy Cruze here. This one got hit in this left front corner and it's getting a bunch of new suspension. Everything in this corner is wiped out, but I have to do some small repairs on the structure right here. It's just barely tweaked around and I have to put a new bracket on it, which is right there, and a little bit of repair work on a few other spots. And then I also have to repair this post where the fender mounts back here as well. So it's a small quick one I'm gonna knock out this morning. So I went ahead and bolted this fender on just to make sure I had this bracket sitting just like it's supposed to. It looks good. So I have a Honda Odyssey here now. This one got hit right in the dog leg section. They call this a dog leg, right behind the rear door, this short section right here. And it gets sectioned in. I'll have to look at the paperwork. Somewhere right in here. Right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this van in a couple clamps and I'm gonna pull this damage out and work out the wheelhouse a little bit. And then I will get this down off of the frame rack and I will start cutting the quarter panel off. So I went ahead and I marked my final cut points on the new quarter panel where it's gonna get sectioned in. And so I'm gonna go ahead and make these final cuts. The reason Honda makes a sectioning procedure is because if I put this whole thing in, this top lip goes underneath the roof. So it would be way more invasive because the roof would have to come off the car as well. So Honda makes a sectioning procedure just to put this bottom piece in. Then after I make these cuts, I'll show you guys how I'm gonna mark the car in the same spots to make the same cuts on there. I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on here. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna scribe each of these seams. I will lift the quarter panel back off and I'll trim back the rest of the existing quarter panel and I'll have a perfect seam.